Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I welcome you all in your bonus love messages. So, this is your bonus love messages for November 2020. I hope I will help you out in some manner. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. I have already done your love general reading and also the extended one. You can have a look on that too. Okay, Aquarius. So the reading for you today was very intense, was very hard. Okay, I can say that it was very intense in all of my reading till now. So let's see what are the bonus love messages for my Aquarius, and it's not going to resonate each of you. So if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating with you. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world? Help me out to explain. Help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Which I need to deliver? Any other message? No. Okay. It's time to take action. Is bottom of the deck I am having. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages I am going to tell you right now. Let's see what are the messages. Okay, so Aquarius, first message is here, the energy is gaining momentum, is your first message from Moonology deck. Okay, don't let your past hold you back. South Node. Okay, don't let your past hold you back, is your second message. Be bold and make the first move. Be bold and make the first move. Okay, a fairy climax approaches, is the next message. Have faith in your dreams. Have faith in your dreams, Aquarius. You need to make a first move. Okay, Aquarius, don't let your past to hold you back. That's the message for you basically. Okay, so adjustment are required. Third quarter moon adjustments are required. Okay, is the message. Next message is a time for healing, is your next message. A time for healing. Okay, balance spirituality and practicality. 0404 was the recording reading time. Okay, balance spirituality and practicality. You are very close to achieving your goal. You are very close to achieving your goal, is the second message. Expect a powerful change. Expect a powerful change. Next message is step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius. You need to step out of your comfort zone. You and your loved ones are safe. Okay, is the next message. Your commitment is being tested. Your hard work is paying off. Okay, That is Seven of Pentacles energy. You are already put your efforts in the situation and you will get your rewards back, Aquarius. You need not to be worried about it. Okay. Prosperity lies ahead is your last message from this deck. So yeah, prosperity lies ahead. You need not to be worried about it. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the wonderful messages to my beautiful Aquarius. Now I'm going to add some message from the numerology. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Change is coming your way, Aquarius. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Please help me out to give the best possible messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Help me out to give the best positive messages which I need to deliver. Happy ending, forgiveness. Okay, let's see what are the messages which I need to give to my Aquarius. Again, change is there. So let's see, change is coming for you, Aquarius. You need to step out of your comfort zone for sure. Let's see, what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Pride. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Environment, parenting. Explain me the meaning. Not explain me, why I'm telling you explain me. Healing, self-discipline and karmic completion. Yeah, see, that's what I was telling you in the main reading, that you are dealing with someone who is your karmic soul mate and you are completing a karmic completion is there. So anything which I need to deliver, teaching and learning, spiritual partnership, adventure, physical activity. Okay, any other message which I need to deliver? Help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver. Happy ending again came and completion is there. Completion and happy ending. Any other message which I need to deliver to my for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver? They're asking me to stop. Spiritual career. Yes, some of you are going to start your spiritual career is there. So spiritual career is going to start, Aquarius, for you. Let me see what are the messages for you. First message is pride. Pride is the message for you. Then second message is environment. Environment is trying to tell you something. Third message is parenting. Parenting, I need to know what is the meaning of parenting, because I have never get this card for you and I don't know the exact meaning of this, so I need to read it out. This card indicates that you have a natural gift for parenting and working with children. Perhaps you have child or children of your own, or maybe there are children within your extended family or circle of family. Maybe you play the parental role within your relationships with others who tend to behave like children. Whatever the case may be, your ability to teach, nurture and guide your natural next generation raises the vibration of the world. Every ounce of time, attention, love, support you invest in a child pays dividend down the road. This is a time to honor and embrace the significant role you play in the life of a child, whether it's your own or that of a partner, neighbor, relative, client or friend. Don't underestimate the importance of your unconditional love and guidance, because even a small gesture can have a massive impact on a child's life. In order to improve your current situation, you are being asked to adjust to and harmonize with the natural rhythm and cycles of your life. Cycles that are encouraging you to spend quality time with children. Go out of your way to brighten a child's day. Give your attention freely and know that a little goes a long way. By investing in the younger generation, you invest in the future of humankind. What is the affirmation? I love and nurture children and make a world a brighter place. So some of you are having children, Aquarius. You need to do parenting. Okay, you are blessed with this ability, nature ability. So you have to focus more on parenting. Okay, that's a message for you. The next message is healing. So this is the time for you to heal. Okay, so time has coming for you to heal. The next message is self discipline. You need to be more self disciplined. Okay, and there is a karmic completion going on. Okay, because there is a completion, karmic completion, then there is a happy ending. Okay, so something is ending in your life and that is happy ending. Okay, some completion world card is there, and what is that? That is a karmic completion. Okay, 9 and 10. So yes, there is a completion going on in your life. Use your creativity. Okay, Aquarius, use your creativity. So next message is adventure is going to happen in your life, and you are getting abundance card. So you are already having abundance of everything. Okay, so abundance is there for you. Self love is indicated, so you have to love yourself more, Aquarius. If you're not doing that self love, then there is a physical activity. You need to do more physical activity if you're not doing it, Aquarius. Okay, nature is there. Go out in the nature and try to spend time with the nature. There is a teaching and learning. Teach and learning is there, so you can teach your children. 1133 was the recording reading time. You can spend some time with your children or with your relatives, your friend, even with yourself. You can teach and learn something, because while we teach something, we also learn something. So teaching is there, and there is spirituality and spiritual partnership, both are there. So you are going ahead in spirituality, Aquarius. You are having spiritual career, because there was spiritual career too. So yes, there is some spirituality going on with you, Aquarius, and you are having spiritual career, and you are having spiritual partnership too. So something is there for you. 77 78 is there. So you are having spirituality, spiritual career. Okay, both are there, and the numbers are there for you, that 55 88 77. So 7 5 and 8 3 6 and 9. Yes, so there are some number synchronicity. 4 4 44 66 55 77 88. Okay, so number synchronicity is there for you, Aquarius. You are completing a cycle for sure. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the numbers. So yes, there is 55 66 44 55 66 77 and 88. So yes, there is some number synchronicity. 44 1313 was the recording reading time. 55 66 77 and 88. So 4 5 6 7 8 is the number for you today. Okay, so these are the numbers which are important for you. Let's see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the beautiful messages which I need to deliver for my Aquarius. Caring connection is there. Okay, so help me out to give the best message which I need to deliver. What are the man holding a heart? So yeah, let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. Please help me out to give the messages. Okay, thinking woman was also there 2 times. So caring connection again. So yeah, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Okay, what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Indecision. 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles energy. You are unable to make a decision. What are the messages? Storm, warning, storm warning. Bottom of the deck, broken heart, Three of Swords. You need to take a decision, Aquarius, and you are not able to take a decision. But there is a storm warning for you. Door to romance and yin and yang, bottom of the deck is there. Door to romance is open. You have to decide whether you want your life to deal with your love or with your devil, okay? So yin and yang, one is your soulmate, yin and yang is there. Door to romance is opening. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to give. Help me out. Wow. Wow. Can you see? Magician and healer of the ages. And bottom of the deck, I'm having patience, strength, Leo energy. Okay, patience is there. So you need to keep patient, Aquarius. Healing is coming your way. And there is a magician too. You are manifesting something. Okay, you are getting magician. Door to romance is open. Any other message? Wow. Angel of love is there, but you right now, some of you are feeling anxiety. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Adjacent possibilities. You need to do some adjacent possibilities in your life, Aquarius, to achieve happy ending, happy family card. Yes, you need to adjust some you need to do some adjacent possibilities to achieve happy family card. 10 of Cups energy. Okay. So what are the messages? Garden at the gate and door to personal healing and happiness is opening. Yes, you are having the key, Aquarius, to open the gate of the garden. Can you see this girl is wearing a necklace in the neck and is having the key which she can open the gate. So you are having the key. You can open the gate, Aquarius, of the garden, okay? And door to personal healing and happiness is opening. Beautiful, Aquarius. 33, 34. Door to romance is opening. Door to personal healing and happiness. You need to walking away. Can you see this girl is walking away? That is 8 of Cups energy. You are leaving a situation. Yeah, you need to take actions. Action is there. You need to take action. Again, the World card. The World card is there. Again, you are completing a cycle for sure. But what the cycle? Broken heart. You are completing that cycle. Now you will be no more broken heart, Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver any other message. Any other message which I need to deliver? Help me out. Guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Any other message which I need to deliver? See, bottom of the deck, I'm having caring connection again. So yeah. Woman holding a coin. Okay, so some offer is coming your way. A woman can enter in your life who wants to give you some money offer. Okay, so door to spirit is opening. Can you see 32, 33 and 34? Every door is opening for you, Aquarius. Beautiful. See, 3 cards. Door to spirit, door to romance, door to healing, happiness, personal healing and happiness. 3 doors are opening for you. Right now you need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Rest and rejuvenate yourself. 4 of Swords energy. You need to take care of yourself. You need to rejuvenate yourself. You have to heal yourself, okay? There is a blossoming abundance is there for you, and caring connection is there for you, Aquarius. Okay, because you are completing a karmic cycle. Okay, for sure. The World card is there. The broken heart, this broken cycle, the broken heart cycle is completing in your life. Okay, so you are completing a cycle for sure, and there is blossom abundance and caring connection for you. Beautiful. So these are the messages but you are in decision, you are at the crossroads. You need to take a decision, but you are not able to take a decision. You need to take a decision, Aquarius. What do you want? This broken heart or this is the right now you are having a broken heart, but that you are completing a cycle, world card, and after completing a cycle you are receiving a caring connection and blossoming abundance. Okay, both are there for you. So yes, once you complete the cycle, you're getting these two energies for you, and that's very beautiful. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle cards, for giving the beautiful messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much. Let's add some animal spirit for you. Let's see what are the messages from this animal spirit guide for you. Let me see what are the messages. Clear the clutter. Okay, let me see what are the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius which I need to deliver to them? What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? What are the messages? Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to give the messages. Beautiful. Bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. Rebirth is assured, Aquarius. You do not have to worry about it. Whatever ending is happening in your life, let them end, because his rebirth is assured. Owl spirit, you see clearly now. Okay, you are a high priestess. You are guided by your intuitions. You're moving ahead by your intuitions. The owl spirit is there now. You see clearly now. The spider spirit, make your dreams real. Make your dreams real, Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver any other message which I need to deliver. Any other message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world? No. Okay. Claim your independence. Cat spirit, claim your independence is the message for you, and these are also a message. And this was, I was telling you in the beginning, turtle spirit, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, white raven spirit, trust in the magic, Aquarius. White raven spirit, trust in the magic. Okay, starfish spirit, open to infinite possibilities. Open to the infinite possibilities. Dear spirit, bring a gentle touch. Bring a gentle touch. And very last message and very important message. Butterfly spirit, transformation is beautiful, Aquarius. And Aquarius, you are getting, that's what I told you in the yesterday video also, that Aquarius, you are ascending towards butterfly. Okay, you are now becoming a butterfly. Okay, so the transformation is always beautiful. Okay, I know the process which we go through while getting transformed is painful, but once you transform yourself, it's very beautiful. So thank you so much, animal spirit, for giving the beautiful messages for my Aquarius all over the world. Lastly, let's add some fortune reading cards to you. Let's see any other messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Thank you so much for giving the messages, animal spirit. I think I have not said thank you for that deck. Okay, so I was saying thank you again. So any other message, please help me out to deliver the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please, guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to give the messages for my beautiful Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out. Okay, again bottom of the deck I am having coffin. So natural endings abound. Take care of your health. So something is ending so that you can take a new birth. Okay. So yes, judgment is there. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Aquarius is your first message. Goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. Okay. Goals is your next message. Next is unity. A time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. Unity is the message. Reconciliation card for some of you. Some of you are getting reconciliation, reunite with your soulmate. Beware. Be careful who you trust at this time, Aquarius. Very important that who you are trusting. Okay. Maybe they are. You need to take care of your Seven of Swords energy, deceptions energy. Star cards. Star card. Hard times are over. Look forward to an abundance of happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. Okay, so star card is there. Mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenge, but remain cautious, Aquarius. Is the next message for you, Mountain. Okay, and next and last message for you for today. Patience. Slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. Have patience, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. And I'm going to make one more video in which I'm going to give you more messages, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from that. Okay, in this video I'm going to stop here. I hope I help you out in some manner to give you some clarity in your life. Okay, and do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want to ask me or tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.